Whoever invented this deserves a raise. In 1980, people used cotton swabs and glue to fix holes in walls. This method was not only unattractive, but also left the wall unusable after repair. By 2000, people started using patching mud, but once it dried, it was very fragile and would fall off with the slightest touch. By 2026, people discovered this revolutionary little tool. If your walls have cracks or small holes, you can easily fix them at a low cost using this wall crack repair paste. With its help, you can repair cracks, holes, and even damaged areas of the wall effortlessly. It solves almost every minor wall